the fun they had मधील question and answer.
Children, let's do a question answer session from the lesson. Tell me, when does the story take? The story takes place in future on 17th May 2157. Good. What does Margie mean by a real book? According to Margie, a real book means a book which had pages with words printed on it. Correct. Margie uses a diary. What would it be like? It would be a telebook or computer monitor where she must be typing what she wants to write. Good. What do we understand by the words "took the teacher apart"? It means the mechanical teacher was open to find the fault as we do with our computers when here is something wrong. Okay? Which part of the machine Margie hated the most? The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Tell me, what fault did the inspector repair? The geography sector was geared a little too quick, so he slowed it up to an average 10-year level. This fault was repaired by the inspector. Good. What is Margie like as a student? Bright, average. Margie is an average student. Do you think the school described in the book existed centuries ago? Yes. Tell me the meaning of the words loftily, betcha, dispute, nonchalantly. Loftily means airly. In a superior tone, betcha means surely. Dispute means argue, quarrel. And nonchalantly means in an indifferent, cool manner. Excellent. Do you think Tommy likes the school in the olden days? No, Tommy is not interested in the olden day schools. Is Tommy Margie's brother or friend? Tommy is Margie's friend. Now find the sentence that helps you to decide that. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. From this sentence we can make out that their mother is not one and the same. So we can come to the conclusion that the both are friends. Besides, Tommy tells Margie that he found the book in his house in an attic, which means they live in different houses. Correct. Would you like your own mechanical teacher? Not at all. What changes would you like to see in your school? I would like to see a big play area in my school. Tests should be conducted only once in a year. We should be allowed to play games in our computer lectures, etc. Do you have fun playing or studying with your friends? Yes, we love to come to school, meet our friends, play with them as well as study along with them. Good answers. I will show you some sentences. You have to put proper punctuation marks. Where did you find it? Ma'am, as this is a question, we will put a question in the end. Where did you find it? Question mark. What is it about? What is it about? They had a teacher. They had a teacher. Full stop. How could a man be a teacher? How could a man be a teacher? Question. If they were the same age. Sure, if they were. Margie did so with a sigh. Margie did so with a sigh. Full stop. Why would anyone write about school? Why would anyone write about school? Question mark. Very good. Let's start our next activity. I will read some sentences from the story. These sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. You have to tell what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. First sentence is, she had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had a mechanical teacher in the story. So it means they will take it away for repairing and she will have no teacher for some days. In today's context, it means that the teacher will lose her job. Good. Second sentence is, they had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Tommy's mechanical teacher had a major fault, so it took almost a month to get it repaired. In today's context, it may mean that someone had kidnapped Tommy's teacher for a month. Okay. Third is, it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. This is a future-based story. They had mechanical teachers as a routine. So they say, it was not a regular teacher but a man. In today's context, it may mean that it was not a lady teacher but a male teacher. Good. A teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. According to the story, this sentence indicates that a mechanical teacher should be adjusted with such setting that it could understand the thinking of each boy and girl it teaches. In today's context, it may mean that the human teacher will have to do the adjustment. Well done. Coming to our next exercise. I will give you some words. Try to make at least 10 words related to them. First word is book. Book. Pages, printed, pictures, drawings, text, colorful, knowledge, reading, school, teacher, students, writing. Good. Second word is school. School. Bag, books, teacher, studies, exam, playground, library, uniform, students, building, celebration holiday, learning, friendship. Good. Third word is family. Family, small, home, brother, mother, father, sister, grandparents, love, relations, happy, sorrow, support, upbringing, respect. Okay. Now last word is world. World, big, countries, neighbors, languages, culture, people, growth, import, export, business, jobs. Very good, children.